Hey everyone, Splash La Mirada Regional Aquatics Center is a good spot for families with younger kids. Their Buccaneer Bay water park has all the kids' favorites, and we were impressed by the park's layout and fun pirate theme. Arriving shortly after it opened, we waited in line for about 30 minutes before getting inside to buy tickets. There were actually 2 lines, and you can get in quicker if you purchase admission online before arrival. Once we got through the gate, the kids jumped in, spending some time on their main kids' play structure, which features a couple of small slides and all the water features you would expect from a central play area. The structure sits in a variety of water depths from 1 to 3 feet, so lifeguards require every kid under 48 inches to wear the provided life vest located nearby. Our oldest loves lazy rivers, and Buccaneer Bay's main play area opens right up into theirs. At 3.5 feet deep, the jets get the river moving at a pretty fast clip, so if it had been up to our kids, we would have stayed in there the entire day. As for the slides, La Mirada usually has 2 structures, one with 3 tube slides that were closed entirely, which was a bummer, and their tallest for everyone over 42 inches that houses 2 body slides and a 6-lane mat racer that hydroplanes you across the water. There's also a small splash pad for the littlest kiddos to play on, and typically, entry also allows use to the public pools, but they were closed this time due to a swim meet. Food-wise, you can't bring anything in, but the park has a couple of different places to buy food, and the wristband that you receive when you get in allows you to re-enter the park so you can go out and eat and come back throughout the day. As for where to sit, chairs are hard to come by, but the park has a lot of grass that you could picnic on, so bring a large towel. Also note that La Mirada's water park gets busy. By 2 p.m. on our visit, there were so many people inside the river and around the play structure that we decided to take a break, eat out of the back of our car, and wait for it to empty out a little bit. It didn't. SoCal is actually home to a handful of younger, family-friendly water parks, so check out our playlist here and have a great summer.
Thanks for watching our show.